Yeah, I'm finishing level. Parapet. So this is our finishing level. This is a one bedroom flat. She has to wall the tiles half so that rain will not penetrate from inside to spoil the paint that is inside. So it is good to use tiles half wall so that water will not penetrate from the outside to the inside to damage the paint. So this is our finishing standard. This is one bedroom flat. Oh, this is a screen painting. If you love this work, call us and give us this job. This is our work. Divine Wisdom Building Construction Company. So we are building houses for people, both rich and the poor. Don't be afraid. Call. Any material you want, call us. Designers, house designers. All the paint. Yeah, we already finished the pillar gate. Servants. Okay. I'm sure we are. We normally walk. This side we don't really do through.